Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if your device is stuck at iCloud or it is locked for any reason and you can't access, in today's video I am here with a solution that is going to help you a lot. Now here is a software that is going to solve every sort of problem for you guys. Even it is stuck at iCloud activation lock, full screen lock, or anything is happening, it is going to solve all those issues. So without any further delay, let's get dive into this video, and let me take you to my desktop screen where I'm going to show you how you can download this one and how it works. So let's begin. Okay, so we are on the website. This is how it looks like. I will drop the link in the description. It says UnlockGo iPhone locker. Again, links are given in the description. Now it is all in one iPhone lock remover tool. It is not only about iCloud, there are many other things that this solves. As you can see, it is iPhone lock. If iPhone is locked to owner, it can help with that. If you are stuck on the Agni lock activation lock, it can help with that. Your Apple ID has been disabled, Apple ID is locked, whatever, it can help with every other thing. So it is great software, and if you are a Mac user you can choose Mac, or if you are a Windows user you can go for the Windows one. Again, completely your choice. And for example, in my case, I'm a Mac user. I'm gonna tap on this download one, and now it is gonna start downloading. And installation is real quick, real easy. So let me show you how you can simply get it. Once it is done, you are good to go. Okay, so this is the how interface looks like. Quite simple, straightforward. There are features, as you can see. There is unlock screen passcode. If your phone is stuck on screen passcode, you can use this one to unlock that. Then there is unlock iCloud activation lock. Then there is unlock Apple ID. Then there is turn off FMI. As you can see, you can disable find my iPhone using this one. Then there is unlock screen time passcode and also bypass MDM. So straightforward, there are different sort of features are available. And but for this video, we are going to try out unlock iCloud activation. We are gonna test this out. So let's try this one out over here. Okay, now as this says, it is going to remove the iCloud activation, and now it is asking me to connect the device. Now it is connected using lightning cable or even USB type C, and now it is asking that you're sure you want to do that, and now the process begins. Now this is the process of removing an iCloud lock, and it is going to activate the device, and obviously it is going to take couple of minutes. It is going to restart the device couple of times, so don't worry about that. And once it is done, you are good to go. So yeah, as you can see, the process is going on. Again, the link of this software will be given in the description, and it is not only about the iCloud activation. As I told you before, there are many other features available, and you can try those features. And once it is done, you can see it says iCloud activation lock successfully removed. So yeah, that's all. In this way you can unlock your device no matter what problem it is on. This software is going to solve every sort of problem. Again, the links will be given in the description. Make sure to try out this one. This is a super cool software, and if you have any query, let me know in the comment section below, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.